Hey everyone, Juliet here in the service department at AbelCine in Burbank, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your sensor. I have here a Phantom Flex 2K, although the process is the same regardless of the camera. So first, how do you check to see if you have a dirty sensor? Well, you want to have your camera set to a frame rate that's fairly low, like around 24 frames per second, and make sure you have enough light so that when you stop down you can actually still see an image. So I have a lens here stopped down to 22, and then I use this light box that's meant for viewing slides, but you can use any sort of flat light source, even pointed at a cloudy sky or a clear sky. So I put it right up against the glass here, and I can see I have a pretty big speck of dust right there. Now, if you're inside and you don't have a light box, you can use something like this called an expo disc. This side gathers light, and this side is just a flat, evenly lit white surface. And again, you just put this right up against your lens, point the camera at any light source, the sun or any light that's on set, and you should still be able to see your dust. So now that I know that I have a dust speck, I'm going to take my lens off, and using a flashlight, locate the dust on the sensor. And I can see a pretty big speck right there. So I've got this, it's called an Arctic butterfly, also from visible dust. It builds up a static charge by spinning, and then the static will suck the dust right up. I'm just going to swipe that across the surface there. And then spin it again to blow off the dust and build up a new charge. Now, if it was any worse than this, I've got these lint-free swabs here and cleaning solution called V-Dust Plus, also from Visible Dust. And I just want to put a couple drops right on the tip there. And then I'm going to swipe across once, flip my swab over, swipe across again. And now this swab is done. And then check again to make sure the dust is gone. And put my lens back on. And there we go, nice clean sensor. Now, when you're doing this, you're probably not going to actually be touching the sensor. Many cameras have a piece of glass in front called a low-pass filter, and that's where the dust tends to collect. The chamber behind the low-pass filter is usually fairly airtight, and it's pretty rare you're actually going to have dirt on your actual sensor. Well, I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time in the service department. Take care.